Hey, what's up? Sam here. Here on Geekbuying with lots of 3D printers, and today we happen to have some of them in our office. And we are privileged to have the 3D printer manager Jen here to introduce some of the best sellers from Geekbuying, and you might be interested. Hello, Jen. How are you?
Hello, Sammy. I'm doing good.
All right. So, what are you looking at? What is called?
This is Genius Pro from Artillery.
Is there anything special about it?
Yeah, of course. It's my favorite. First, it saves trouble for you to install because it has an all-in-one structure. Maybe you can finish installation in just 10 minutes. And also you can see it's printing now and gives absolutely quiet printing. And
Yeah, I can feel that.
It moves very stable because it has a 32-bit motherboard, and it's something exclusive from Artillery.
Great. And
You can see we have a very intuitive user interface. You can finish almost all the settings from here.
can you show me some printings?
Of course, we have printed this Groot.
Ooh.
It's
So you can put some paint, some rulers,
yes.
some whatever you want, just inside here. Oh, seems very detailed and no
it has
misprints. It's
very
really
fine
good.
Details.
So for this Artillery Genius is kind of like perfect for beginners, right? Because it's easy to install, easy to use, and it's intuitive to operate. And printings are really great. Fine, refined detail. Many details remain here. All right. So how about this? How about this guy?
Oh, this one is from Tuchis. It's Sapphire Plus, and it has very large build volume. You know, it has an XY axis structure, but we just put it to rest because it's been working for a long time now.
Great.
This Anycubic Vyper currently is the best seller in our Black Friday promotion.
What's so special about it?
In comparison, this one has a bigger build volume than this Genius Pro.
Yeah, sure.
And you can see the hotbed is quite different because it has a magnetic sticker, and this will make it very easy for you to take off the print from the hotbed. And
Okay.
It's also quiet. It's very quiet.
All right. So compared to the rest of the 3D printers, this one is like the biggest FLSUN, right? Is that the correct name?
This is from FLSUN. It's called Delta. Why they use this structure? Because it gives the fastest print speed. It can reach about 200 milliliters per second.
Oh, that's really fast. And this is like absolutely for pro users, right?
I think it's also for entry levels because it has a full automatic bed leveling. It just works out of the box.
All right. So basically, the 3D printers we just introduced are for beginners or average users, Jen, right?
Yes, this printer is almost foolproof. Means they are pre-installed and it gives quiet printing. They have auto bed leveling. You don't have to hassle to adjust them with bare hands.
Yeah.
And also they have very easy to use user interface.
Yeah, very easy to use, basically. Okay, all right. Anything to say?
Yes, of course. Especially they are cost efficient.
Yeah, great. Yeah. For those, you can check out the link in the description. But if you want a giant or big or high-end 3D printer, Jen also would like to recommend another big one. The team left. What's it called?
It's TDX Max.
TDX Max. Great. So let's get to it.
Yeah, yes, of course. It's
Okay, let's get to it.